Hello and welcome to today's tech tip. In this video, we're going to review the use of the thread setting on a circle measurement. This setting works the same whether it's for an inner or an outer circle measurement. If you're trying to measure the position of a threaded hole, you could simply use a shaft or cylinder stylus. Using the appropriate probe angle, the shaft would take hits at the high points of the thread to give you an accurate center for reporting true position or XYZs. But if you only have a round stylus, then on a standard circle measurement, you're going to get some hits up at the tip of the thread, some hits down in the bottom, and most likely a lot in between, as the probe goes around the circumference of the circle. In this case, you will need to use the thread setting. Simply double-click on the measurement in the programming browser to edit it. And then on the checking tab, change the check method to thread. You'll notice that the pitch field lights up for you to enter the nominal pitch. I'm going to set this nominal pitch to a large value so we can visually see the effect. Notice that the probing points are now following the nominal pitch as it goes around the feature. Now it really doesn't matter where on the thread we're taking the hit, as long as we're taking each hit in the same location relative to the thread. The result is an accurate center point whether you're reporting true position or the XYZs. Thanks for watching and have a great day.